The Arm & Hammer Pro Plus Deep Clean Battery Toothbrush for Adults is a reliable oral care product that provides thorough cleaning performance. With its convenient design and features, this toothbrush stands out in the market. Manufactured by Church & Dwight. Personal care. This toothbrush is not discontinued, demonstrating its ongoing popularity. The product dimensions of 7.1 into 1.8 into 9.9 inches make it a compact and practical choice for everyday use. It weighs 10.86 ounces, ensuring a lightweight feel during brushing sessions. The item model number is 7668780022156, and it requires 2 AA batteries included for operation. The battery-powered operation offers convenience and portability, making it ideal for travel or daily use. This toothbrush was first available on August 8, 2016, showcasing its established presence in the market. Its ASIN is B01K0X5ZY2, with the country of origin being the USA. The Arm & Hammer Pro Plus Deep Clean Battery Toothbrush for Adults has garnered positive feedback.
The Oral-B Sensitive Gum Care Electric Toothbrush. Replacement Brush Heads Refill is a top-of-the-line product manufactured by Procter & Gamble. Designed to provide gentle care for sensitive gums, these brush heads are meticulously crafted to ensure a thorough and comfortable cleaning experience. Measuring at 2.36 into 8.66 into 0.71 inches and weighing only 1.06 ounces, these replacement brush heads are convenient and easy to use. The item model number EB173ES guarantees a perfect fit for your Oral-B electric toothbrush, promising compatibility and optimal performance. With a remarkable rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars based on 24,452 customer reviews, it's evident that users appreciate the quality and effectiveness of these brush heads. It comes as no surprise that this product ranks #4 in electric toothbrush replacement brush heads and #641 in health and household. The UPC codes 88537678784, 38853769148050690555824207 and 069055847510.
The Oral-B Cross-Action Electric Toothbrush Replacement Brush. Heads offer an effective solution for maintaining optimal oral health through efficient plaque removal and gentle yet thorough cleaning. With package dimensions of 9.09 into 2.64 into 1.85 inches and weighing only 2.4 ounces, these replacement brush heads are designed for convenience and ease of use. The item model number EB50BK5 ensures compatibility with a range of Oral-B electric toothbrush models, providing users with versatility and peace of mind. Manufactured by Procter & Gamble in the USA, these brush heads meet high-quality standards and are designed to deliver a superior brushing experience. Since its first availability on February 15, 2022, the Oral-B Cross-Action Replacement brush heads have garnered positive feedback from consumers reflected in the impressive 4.7 out of 5 stars rating based on 13,679 customer reviews. This product's ranking as #405 in health and household and #2 in electric toothbrush.
This Spinbrush Arm & Hammer Pro Plus Deep Clean Refills. Battery-powered toothbrush has proven to be a reliable addition to oral care routines. With dimensions measuring 0.89 into 2.13 into 8.86 inches and a weight of 0.63 ounces, this toothbrush boasts portability without compromising performance. The item model number 107668780000920 indicates the meticulous attention to detail in its design. First available on April 9, 2014, by the manufacturer Church & Dwight. Personal care. This product has since gained popularity, evident by its bestsellers rank of #8, 690 in health and household, and #69 in electric toothbrush replacement brush heads. Notable features include its ability to remove 100% more plaque compared to traditional toothbrushes. This efficiency, coupled with its battery-powered mechanism, ensures a thorough cleaning experience. The product has garnered an impressive rating of 4.8 out of 5 stars based on 4,947 ratings.
The Philips Sonicare for Kids. 7 Plus genuine replacement toothbrush heads are designed to ensure optimal oral hygiene for children aged 7 and above. With product dimensions of 0.8 into 0.6 into 3.5 inches and a weight of 0.8 ounces, these toothbrush heads are lightweight and easy to use. The item model number is HX6042, specifically made for kids' dental care needs. Manufactured by Philips Sonicare, a reputable brand known for quality oral care products, these replacement toothbrush heads are exceptionally reliable. The product originates from China and has garnered positive feedback from consumers highlighting its effectiveness. The ASIN is B00G5L85S2. One of the key features of the Philips Sonicare for Kids 7 Plus genuine replacement toothbrush heads is their compatibility with a wide range of electric toothbrush models. This adaptability ensures convenience for users and allows for a seamless transition when replacing old brush heads. In terms of customer satisfaction, these replacement heads,